Fortune Global 500 list, the rank of Amazon is dash with the revenue of dash. Amazon is ranked second with its revenue 380 billion US dollars. So who is the first rank? It is Walmart. It is also a US company. Second question, which bank has signed a MOU with Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, which is an initiative of IIT Bombay in August 2021? Bank name is Indian Bank. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals and Sanotize Research and Development Corporation announced a long-term partnership to manufacture, market and distribute which product? Answer, nasal spray. Which is the first city in India to achieve 100% vaccination to its people against COVID-19? City is Bhubaneswar. The theme song Karde Kamal Tu, launched by Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, is related to which of the following? Answer, Tokyo Paralympic. Nicole Pashinyan has been officially appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Answer, Armenia. Nari Shakti Puraskar winner Man Kaur, who passed away recently, was related to which field? She is an athlete. Answer, athlete. Who is the coach of Indian men's hockey team which won Tokyo Olympics bronze medal? Answer, Manpreet Kaur. Which bank has recently been empaneled by RBI to act as an agency bank to facilitate transactions related to government businesses? Answer, IndusInd Bank. To do government businesses, appointed by RBI as an agent bank. On which cooperative bank did RBI impose a penalty of 50.35 lakhs recently? Name is Janalakshmi. It is Janalakshmi Cooperative Bank. Who is the youngest athlete to win gold in Olympics? Momji Nishia. What is India's overall position in Tokyo Olympics 2020? India is ranked at 48. Answer, 48th position. Who has been appointed as the CEO of music streaming app Gaana? Answer, Sandeep Lodha. What is the theme for the third student entrepreneurship program launched by Atal Innovation Mission? Answer, Made in 3D, Seed the Future Entrepreneurs Program. The theme is Made in 3D, Seed the Future Entrepreneurs Program. With which bank did Starfin India has signed a contract to support the financial inclusion mission of Government of India? Financial inclusion. Answer, Bank of Baroda. Which is the first US bank to set up a branch in GIFT, IFSC? First US based bank to set up a branch in GIFT, IFSC. Answer, Citibank. Fruits is an initiative launched by Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. What does R stands for in fruits? R stands for registration. The expansion is Farmer Registration and Unified Beneficiary Information System. Which country will host the World Athletics Under 20 Championship 2021? Answer, Kenya. Hope you remember Kenya's capital is Nairobi. There only the Under 20 Athletics Championship 2020 is going to be held. Recently, DASC has joined hands with the Bank of Maharashtra to offer car loan facilities for its new Forever range of passenger vehicles. MOU between which company and Bank of Maharashtra? Answer, Tata Motors. When is the World Photography Day observed? Answer, 19th August. Who has been appointed as UNICEF India Celebrity Advocate for their global campaign EVAC? EVAC stands for Ending Violence Against Children. Indian celebrity is Ayushmann Khurrana. Who among the following is the first ever skateboarding Olympic gold medal winner? Most important question, guys. First ever skateboarding Olympic gold winner. Horigom Yuto. Horigom Yuto. Recently, BRICS signed an agreement for cooperation in the remote sensing satellite data sharing. Which among the following nations is not a member of BRICS? China, India, Brazil, Russia. All these are BRICS countries. So, answer, none of the above. Which paramilitary force has recently organized a cycle rally to promote Fit India movement and to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Answer, Assam Rifles. International Day of Remembrance of Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism is annually observed on 21st August.